Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers cheap, Dudley local and long-distance movers near me. With these and many other beautiful things, many aren't in a hurry to leave Dudley and will move within it during relocation. When moving within Dudley, you need local movers. Thankfully, several Dudley movers in 2023 are local movers. Among them are the highly rated Dudley Local TM movers. It's better to hire local movers for this relocation than DIY it. Local movers can give you the best relocation experience because they understand the town's routes and traffic and how to navigate them efficiently. They know the town's policies and how to relocate in line with them. They have experience dealing with challenges unique to this relocation. Long-distance movers protect your things from damage by packing them with specialized materials and being insured. It's risky to hire movers without insurance coverage. You may also want to look out for lower prices when hiring, so you should ask different movers for quotes so you can compare them. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Dudley Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.